In the endless stillness of the cosmos, where stars shimmer like frozen sparks suspended in eternity, a single traveler has broken the calm. It drifts silently through the blackness, carrying within it the memory of another world, a world that circles a sun we will never see. Astronomers have named it 3IATLAS, the third interstellar object ever discovered, and the newest messenger from beyond our solar system. Its story began on July 1st, 2025. The ATLAS telescope in Chile, part of a system designed to watch the skies for asteroids, caught something strange, a small moving dot of light that did not fit any known orbital pattern. At first, it looked like a distant comet, faint and unremarkable. But when scientists mapped its trajectory, they realized it wasn't looping around the sun at all. Its path was open, a hyperbolic curve that would never close. That single mathematical detail revealed the truth. This object was not from here. It had come from somewhere else, from far beyond the reach of our sun's gravity. For the first time in years, humanity had detected another interstellar visitor, a wanderer that had traveled for eons between the stars before crossing our cosmic doorstep. The discovery? The moment of discovery sent ripples through the scientific world. Astronomers across continents turned their telescopes toward the faint glow of 3I/ATLAS. Each night, the object grew brighter, more distinct. Soon, high-resolution images from the Hubble Space Telescope revealed a breathtaking sight. A glowing heart wrapped in a halo of misty light, trailing a luminous tail that stretched for millions of kilometers. It was beautiful, fragile, and completely alien. This was no lifeless asteroid, no inert rock tumbling through the void. It was a living comet, a frozen survivor from another solar system that was now awakening under our sun's warmth. Its ices were boiling off, forming a cloud of vapor and dust that shimmered against the darkness. A fountain of jets burst from its surface, carving intricate shapes in the surrounding gas. Proof that this traveler was alive, with motion, energy, and transformation. For astronomers, it was a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And for everyone else watching the images online, it was a reminder that the universe still holds wonders that can leave us speechless. 3I/ATLAS was more than a scientific discovery. It was a cosmic event, a rare chance to glimpse the unknown crossing paths with the familiar, the science. As telescopes gathered more data, the analysis began. Spectrographs split the comet's light into its hidden components, revealing a signature of familiar elements: water vapor, carbon dioxide, cyanide gas, nickel, iron, dusty grains of silicate rock. Each chemical told a story of ancient formation, of ice and stone forged in the cradle of a distant star. What stunned scientists most was how similar those ingredients were to the comets in our own solar system. It was as if nature had used the same recipe across the galaxy. Perhaps every star, no matter how distant, gives rise to the same kind of icy wanderers, the raw building blocks of planets and, maybe, life itself. The behavior of 3I/ATLAS also taught us new lessons. Its jets erupted at unexpected angles. Its brightness changed rapidly, suggesting a tumbling spin or uneven surface. Models built from its motion hinted at an object a few kilometers wide, coated in volatile ices that had lain dormant for millions of years. Studying its evolution near the sun allowed researchers to watch, in real time, how an alien comet reacts to solar radiation, solar wind, and the immense gravitational forces of our star. 3I/ATLAS became a natural experiment, a cosmic laboratory drifting through space, teaching us about the physics of worlds we may never reach. The journey. Every traveler has a story, and 3I/ATLAS is no exception. It came screaming into our solar system at more than 40 kilometers per second, faster than anything bound to the sun could ever move. Its incoming direction pointed toward the constellation Hercules, a clue to where it may have once belonged. Perhaps it was born in the outer reaches of another planetary system, orbiting a distant star not unlike our own. Long ago, a massive planet or gravitational disturbance may have hurled it out of its native system, sending it drifting through the interstellar void. For millions, maybe billions of years, it wandered, a frozen relic of creation, untouched by light, colliding with nothing, listening only to the faint hum of starlight in the dark. And then, by pure chance, it crossed our path. When it passed close to the sun, it briefly blazed into brilliance, shedding gas and dust as if announcing its arrival. Its orbit carried it around our star just once, a single graceful arc through the inner solar system, before it began the long journey outward again. Soon, it will slip away forever, back into the deep, silent gulf between the stars, continuing its endless flight toward the unknown. Somewhere, countless years from now, it might drift past another star. Perhaps another civilization, staring into their night sky, will notice a faint moving light, the same interstellar traveler that once visited us. The meaning. When we look at 3IATLAS, we're not just looking at a comet. We're looking at evidence that the galaxy is alive with movement and exchange. Worlds are not isolated. Stars share their debris, their dust, their frozen fragments. The building blocks of one solar system can wander into another, spreading the ingredients of the planets, oceans, and maybe even life. For a brief moment, this alien object passed close enough for us to see it, measure it, and wonder about it. It reminded us how small we are, a single species on a tiny world, and how connected everything truly is. 3IATLAS traveled countless light years to reach us, carrying whispers from a sun we may never find. And now, after its short visit, it departs again, leaving behind a story that will outlast our lifetimes. Somewhere out there, drifting through the cold between the stars, 3IATLAS continues its eternal journey, carrying traces of our solar system on its icy skin. In its wake, it leaves behind a truth more powerful than data or discovery, that we are part of a living galaxy where even the smallest fragments can travel from world to world, connecting distant suns in a cosmic dance older than time. 3IATLAS, the interstellar wanderer, the visitor from another star, the silent messenger that reminds us, we are not alone in the universe. We are surrounded by travelers, stories, and echoes of creation itself, all drifting through the dark, waiting to be found.